Healthcare Trust of America or logoSwiss National Bank increased its position in Healthcare Trust of America Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange HTA, by 2.2% during the third quarter, according to its most recent disclosure with the SEC. The fund owned 221,086 shares of the real estate investment trust stock, after buying an additional 4,800 shares during the period. Swiss National Bank's holdings in Healthcare Trust of America were worth $7,212,000 at the end of the most recent reporting period. Other large investors also recently made changes to their positions in the company. Public Employees Retirement Association of Colorado boosted its stake in shares of Healthcare Trust of America by 0.4% in the third quarter. Public Employees Retirement Association of Colorado now owns 4,358 shares of the real estate investment trust stock worth $142,000 after buying an additional 18 shares during the period. Ausdal Financial Partners Inc. boosted its stake in shares of Healthcare Trust of America by 0.5% in the third quarter. Ausdal Financial Partners Inc. now owns 23,485 shares of the real estate investment trust stock worth $766,000 after buying an additional 119 shares during the period. Sumitomo Mitsui Trust Holdings Inc. boosted its stake in shares of Healthcare Trust of America by 0.3% in the second quarter. Sumitomo Mitsui Trust Holdings Inc. now owns 95,436 shares of the real estate investment trust stock worth $3,086,000 after buying an additional 284 shares during the period. Muzinich Co. Incorporated boosted its stake in shares of Healthcare Trust of America by 8.5% in the third quarter. Muzinich Co. Incorporated now owns 3,812 shares of the real estate investment trust stock worth $124,000 after buying an additional 300 shares during the period. Finally, National Asset Management Incorporated boosted its stake in shares of Healthcare Trust of America by 5.5% in the second quarter. National Asset Management Incorporated now owns 7,176 shares of the real estate investment trust stock worth $233,000 after buying an additional 374 shares during the period. 86.69% of the stock is owned by institutional investors and hedge funds. Institutional ownership by quarter for Healthcare Trust of America, New York Stock Exchange HTA. Shares of Healthcare Trust of America Incorporated, New York Stock Exchange HTA, traded down 0.28% during midday trading on Thursday, hitting $28.22. The stock had a trading volume of 1,222,311 shares. The company has a market cap of $4.00 billion, a P/E ratio of 97.65, and a beta of 0.27. The firm's 50-day moving average price is $28.46, and its 200-day moving average price is $31.41. Healthcare Trust of America Incorporated has a one-year low of $25.90 and a one-year high of $34.64. Healthcare Trust of America, New York Stock Exchange HTA, last announced its earnings results on Tuesday, October 25. The real estate investment trust reported 40 cents earnings per share, EPS, for the quarter, hitting the Thomson Reuters' consensus estimate of 40 cents. The business earned $118.34 million during the quarter, compared to analyst estimates of $115.32 million. Healthcare Trust of America had a return on equity of 2.58% and a net margin of 9.01%. Healthcare Trust of America's revenue for the quarter was up 13.9% compared to the same quarter last year. During the same period last year, the company earned 39 cents EPS. Analysts predict that Healthcare Trust of America Incorporated will post 29 cents earnings per share for the current fiscal year. The business also recently announced a quarterly dividend, which will be paid on Tuesday, January 10th. Investors of record on Tuesday, January 3rd will be given a dividend of 30 cents per share. This represents a $1.20 annualized dividend and a yield of 4.25%. The ex-dividend date of this dividend is Thursday, December 29th. Healthcare Trust of America's dividend payout ratio is currently 413.81%. A number of brokerages recently commented on HTA. Jefferies Group began coverage on Healthcare Trust of America in a research note on Friday, December 16th. They set a buy rating and a $33 price objective for the company. BTIG Research began coverage on Healthcare Trust of America in a research note on Thursday, August 25th. They set a buy rating and a $37 price objective for the company. Zacks Investment Research raised Healthcare Trust of America from a sell rating to a hold rating in a research note on Friday, September 9th. Finally, Raymond James Financial Incorporated raised Healthcare Trust of America from a market perform rating to an outperform rating and set a $33 target price for the company in a research note on Monday, November 7th. They noted that the move was a valuation call. 4 analysts have rated the stock with a hold rating and 6 have assigned a buy rating to the company's stock. The stock has a consensus rating of buy and an average target price of $32.44. In other Healthcare Trust of America news, Director Warren D. Fix purchased 3,725 shares of the firm's stock in a transaction on Thursday, November 10th. The stock was purchased at an average cost of $26.73 per share, for a total transaction of $99,569.25. Following the acquisition, the director now owns 53,425 shares in the company, valued at approximately $1,428,050.25. The acquisition was disclosed in a legal filing with the SEC, which is available through this link. Corporate insiders own 1.50% of the company's stock. About Healthcare Trust of America. Healthcare Trust of America Incorporated, HTA, operates as a real estate investment trust, REIT. The company operates through investing in healthcare real estate assets segment. The primary objective is to generate stockholder value through consistent and growing dividends and appreciation of real estate value.